Hello and welcome to another episode of latest update. The topic of discussion is carbon monoxide poisoning. Recently, 12 Indian nationals died from carbon monoxide poisoning at the Gudori Sky Resort in Georgia. The victims were discovered in a sleeping area above the Haveli restaurant located within Gudori, the largest and highest ski resort in the Caucasus Mountains. Initial investigation revealed that a power generator was positioned in an inside area close to the bedrooms. What is carbon monoxide poisoning? Carbon monoxide poisoning is a serious and often fatal condition that occurs when individuals inhale high levels of this colorless, odorless gas. Commonly referred to as the silent killer, carbon monoxide can accumulate in enclosed spaces, leading to symptoms that are frequently mistaken for flu or food poisoning. Carbon monoxide is produced by the incomplete combustion of carbon-containing fuels, such as those found in gas appliances, vehicles, and heating systems. When inhaled, carbon monoxide binds with hemoglobin in the blood more effectively than oxygen, preventing the body from receiving the oxygen it needs. Symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning includes headache, dizziness, weakness, nausea, confusion, and chest pain. In severe cases, exposure can lead to loss of consciousness, seizures, or even death. The term silent killer reflects the insidious nature of carbon monoxide poisoning. Victims may be unaware they are being poisoned until it is too late. Now it's time for the practice question. Gudori Sky Resort, sometimes mentioned in the news, is located in which of the following countries? Russia, Georgia, Armenia, or Turkey? Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.